Man, it is a beautiful morning to shoot some birds in the face. Oh, low bridge. That's the grandmother cottonwood tree. Yeah, she's ginormous. She's been around for a while. She ate a car. There's like a car door sticking out the bottom of the tree. A lot of activity this morning. That little that's a tanager. Summer tanager. That thing that won't shut up over there is a spotted towhee. There's a hummingbird right there. A lot of activity. I haven't even been walking for a quarter mile yet. Not even. There's a goldfinch right above me. That's what's making all that noise. Well, shoot, I had planned to walk a lot farther, but I don't think I have to. I think I might go ahead and get set up here. Nice little tree right here. Big grass. Gonna kind of just sit down. Guess I should switch hats. Put my birding hat on. Just dropped a filter out of my cargo pocket. There. That's better, don't you think? Right next to the trail, so if anybody comes along, it'd probably freak them out a little bit. If they see me, that's what camo's for, right? So actually in that tree right there, there's a Blackhawk nest. I usually see them every day here, so I walk this trail because my house is right on this trail, just about a quarter mile that way. And I walk this trail every single day. And I usually see them right up there in that tree. And yesterday, right in this tree, I saw a Bullock's oriole, first one I've seen all year. So this is a good place to stake out and see what we get. I gotta stop talking though. Talking is the enemy of bird photography. A lot of activity going on right over here. Found a nice rock. Make sure there's no rattlesnakes under it because it's definitely rattlesnake season. I think I'm just gonna stake this area out for a while. So far, I'm hearing blue grosbeak. I heard a summer tanager earlier. I'm pretty sure I even heard of a vermilion flycatcher, and if I get one of those, I'm gonna be very, very happy. Some swallows. I'm just gonna kind of stake this area out for a few, see what we get. Wow, there goes a group of summer tanagers. 3 of them just flew right over my head. Looked like 2 males and a female. The thing I love about this area, well, 1, that it's so close to my house. 2, that it's nice and isolated. That comes in handy right now with all this crazy pandemic stuff. And 3 is it has a really good range. So like right back there, all along this creek. It's all nice and riparian, foresty, all that kind of stuff. So you get all the warblers and all of that stuff. And then out here comes into the foothills of the desert, and you get the cactus stuff, the open birds, the stuff in the junipers. I swear I heard a painted redstart down here, so that's what I'm gonna go check out. I head back into the river area, the creek area, see if we can find that painted redstart. So those are definitely probably my favorite warblers. Did you hear that? Right up above me. That's the painted redstart. So he's here. Now I just gotta find a nice place to get comfortable, relax for a little bit, and hope he stays around. That's so cool. I love painted redstarts. I was just about to start heading home, and there's that summer tanager right there. But there's a mature male around here somewhere. It's nice and red. I think he'll show up. I'm gonna wait here for a second. All right, well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's getting about second breakfast time for 11sies. Maybe I already missed second breakfast. I hope not. I did get an okay shot of the painted redstart, which is pretty cool. And I got a cool little hummingbird. I found her nest on accident, and of course they stayed away because hummingbirds get real freaked out about that stuff, and I don't want her to abandon her nest. So I didn't actually take any photos of it, but I took a photo of her outside the nest, and she had all this like spider web looking stuff on her beak, which was really cool. Or bill. Hummingbirds have bills, beaks, bills. Anyways, that was pretty cool. Definitely got the tanagers. I got a couple of pretty good shots of them. Ladderback woodpecker was pretty cool. I see those guys a lot, but they're always fun to photograph. I got a Lincoln sparrow, which is pretty cool. I don't see those too often. They're out here a lot, but they stay low and hidden, and they don't really come out too much. So that was pretty cool seeing the Lincoln sparrow. I heard a lot of stuff. I heard some blue grosbeaks, but I didn't get a shot of them. And they are in this area. I have seen them in this area. They come here every year, usually a little later in the spring. So this might be either the right time or just a little bit early to see them. But regardless, it was pretty cool to hear them. So hopefully I'll see some and shoot some in the face here pretty soon. Got an okay shot of the Blackhawk. They were pretty busy this morning, but I did get them, so that was pretty cool. So I'd say all in all, it was a pretty decent morning. So hope you guys enjoyed just coming along with me and checking out my backyard trail. And I didn't really have too much to say in terms of like valuable information. This was more of just a vlog for enjoyment, for me to get out during you know, my morning walk and bring you guys with me. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about my wildlife photography or settings or anything like that, leave those in the comments below and you know I'll answer them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I've got new videos every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bunch of robins right over my head now.